Sandals is useless because you're a healer. You can use energetic sprint or dodge roll. Okay. I'm gonna start in few seconds. Just checking everyone.
Dalawa
Ano?
yung party natin
wait. Minhay, go blazing. Go blazing po. Go blazing. Okay. If go Q1 2. Q1 2. Okay. If I say if the party healer dies, who's the party healer? If Hefis dies, I ask you to go out and then you change to party healer, okay? And put your passive 1/3 passive. Okay, let's go.
Yummy, drink water. Yummy, drink water. Ah.
Wait, guys. Soft damage. You might get the aggro. Get the aggro.
Wala na.
Okay
I can't
po.
stop.
Bilang, magkasana pokpokin. Uy. Stuck behind the boss, everyone. Stuck behind the boss. Stuck on Sugma. So you get the knight helmets. Okay, nice. Good. Huwag ka mag-drip. Putik na nag-drip. First. Switch positions. Dodge roll. Thank you. Aray ko. The hoe, your E, use it on me always, okay? Don't use it on anyone else. Always use on Kami. Thank you po. Para second daw. Switch positions. Ready third. Nice. Ready third. Third is thank you. Third now. Switch.
Oh my
No,
God,
good.
what the hell?
Go back.
So
Sorry. Ready first.
nangyayari pala yun. Nakala ko parang never mangyayari.
Ala,
Ready first.
yung E.
Nice one, Lods. First now. Go what? Ready second. Second now. Ready third. Third now. Ready first. Okay. Just stuck on me from now on. First na, no? Sorry. Okay
Yes,
po,
yes.
salamat. First now. Ready second. Second now. Sugma, save your E, okay? I use it for defensive.
Oh.
It's okay.
21 seconds.
Enigmatic, BMS, and Feeble, Incubus, whatever you have. Okay, we good. Second. Third. Sorry. First, next. Hindi ko na maalala yung rotation. First now. Ready. Second. Ready second. Second now. Ready third. Enigmatic, BMS, and Feeble. Incubus. Third next. Third now. Ready first. First now. Ready second. Second now. Oh. Enigmatic, BMS, and Feeble. Ready third. Third now. Ready first. First now. Switch. Ready second. Second now. Ready third. Enigmatic, BMS, and Feeble first. Enigmatic, BMS, and Feeble, Incubus. Third now. Ready first. First now. Switch position. Ready second. Mr. Rudy moment.
Oh no, my Rudy.
Second po. Ready third. But defensives first. Enigmatic will kill it, guys. Okay, nice. Good job.
Oh, it didn't open.
Oh no. Oh, we need to clear maps. We need
Tinatawag
to.
ako.
What?
We
What?
skip. We go back. We skip some maps. Wait, sino pwede maiwan? Rudy, ikaw na maiwan. Ay, hindi pala pwede.
Oh,
GPS ka
go
pala.
siya.
Bumalik ka. Sino pwede? Sino may na-damage dito? Sino pinaka-mahina dito? Oh, sige, Hepis, ikaw na lang.
Hello.
Wala.
Ang Jackie.
Hello.
PV Gears on here.
Tinatawag ako.
Ah.
Shit. Wait lang ah.
This?
Ito lang ako, stuck to DPS.
Tinatawag ako.
Arcane.
Q1 pa pala ako. Galing.
Nice. Stunning. Silence now. Sugma, you're silent so fast.
Open na.
Open na? Okay.
Yes,
Tintik talaga tong pool na to.
I love it.
Hindi naman yan talaga yung pool na matagal lang cancer dito sa ABA. Like, hindi mo siya ginagalaw pero nagte-technical aggro. What? Sugma? Hello? What was that?
Lodi, please, someone. So funny.
If reads Kami.
Don't forget, Sugma, you almost ate that because I always pull you.
Motherfucker.
Oh my gosh.
1.7.
Oh, motherfucker, 1.3.
Hello?
Oh.
Tinatawag ako. Can you give me 5 minutes?
5 minutes? Ay, umuwi ka muna. Hey out
Okay.
everyone.
Back na lang ako.